Misha agus pangerbon, Cachter nather fri handon, Be the van ma san frehelig, Ma van ma hienim han hierd. Pangerbon and I at work, Adepts equals captain clerk. His whole instinct is to hunt, mine to free the meaning penned. More than loud acclaim I love, Book's thought silence my alcove. Happy for me Pangerbon, child plays round some mouse's den. Next thing an unwary mouse bears his flank, Panger pounces. Next thing lines that held and held, meaning back, begin to yield. All the while his round bright eye fixes on the wall, while I focus my less piercing gaze on the challenge of the page. So it goes, to each his own, no vying, no vexation, taking pleasure, taking pains, kindred spirits, veterans. Day and nights of purse, of pad, Pangerbon has learned his trade. Day and night my own hard work solves the cruxes, makes a mark. Karim fos verga clú, ag mo leavran lérig new. Ní firm teach from Pangerbon, carriage heshin a walk